Struggling with large data set in Excel, pivot tables can summarize thousands of rows in seconds. And today I will show you exactly how you can build your first pivot table. Let's start. Here I have a data that is a sample data of sales. This data contains sales by region, salesperson, category, product, unit sold, unit price and total sales. Let's suppose we have to calculate the region-wise sales. If you take without any tool like pivot table, it will take a lot of time and effort to make this summary. To make it short, we will use the pivot table. Let's see how. To make the pivot table, click on anywhere of your data set. Go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, you will see the first option is Pivot Table. Click on this pivot table. This will ask the selection data. If you are selecting from Excel sheet, you can select the first option and give the range. Or if you are exporting data from an external source, you can select the next option. In our scenario, we will select the data from Excel sheet, so we will give only the range. It is automatically selecting the range. You can see that a dotted line appears, but let's make sure we will select desired date or desired range as per our choice. So I'm pressing Shift Control right key and then Shift Control down key to select the entire range. You can see that our entire range is selected. Or you can see the next option if you want the summary table to be appear on the new sheet or existing sheet. In our scenario, we will keep it check the first option as we want to the summary table to be appear in the new sheet. Once you've done with this selection, press OK. And now you can see that you have opened a new sheet. In this, a blank pivot table structure appearing. On the right hand side, you can see that there are fields of your data which are being appeared. Also, there are 4 boxes. The row box, anything you want in row, like we will be doing regions, it will show in the row. Anything you want in column, you can drag here. Values like sum, number of sales, number of products sold, we will put in this values box. And if you want to add additional filters in a pivot table, you can select this and drag your field into filter section. So let's calculate region-wise total sales. So what I will do, I will press and hold mouse left click on this region field and drag it slowly and leave it on the rows box. And you can see that in rows we have got our region. Now we want to calculate the total sales of our each region. Then we will go to the sales, total sales field, press and hold your mouse and drag this to values because we need value like sum value, total. So you see that pivot table given us region wise sales and it was so easy without applying any complex formula or without applying any links. Now let's do another example. Let's calculate product and units sold of each product. What I will do, I will remove this old selection and you can see that our pivot table structure is intact. Now I will bring the product field into rows because I want number of units sold each product. So here our products, I will select the units sold and bring the units sold into values. And you've seen that how easily I can summarize the number of units sold of each product without making any strong formula or complex links. That's all for today. In next video, I shall bring you some advanced feature of pivot table like grouping, slicer, and summarization, and some of the graphical formatting options. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others to help them.